Hello, and welcome to LingOrbit. Learn new words every day and broaden your horizons. Ready? Let's begin!
Back. Back. To support or move backward. To support or move backward. Please back the car into the parking spot. Please back the car into the parking spot. Balance. Balance. To keep or put something in a steady position. To keep or put something in a steady position. She balanced the tray carefully on her hand. She balanced the tray carefully on her hand. Ban. Ban. To officially prohibit something. To officially prohibit something. The school banned mobile phones during class. The school banned mobile phones during class. Bang. Bang. To make a loud sudden noise. To make a loud sudden noise. I heard a loud bang coming from the kitchen. I heard a loud bang coming from the kitchen. Baptize. Baptize. To perform a Christian religious ceremony to admit someone into the church. To perform a Christian religious ceremony to admit someone into the church. The priest baptized the baby during the ceremony. The priest baptized the baby during the ceremony. Bargain. Bargain. To negotiate or discuss the terms of a deal. To negotiate or discuss the terms of a deal. They bargained for a better price at the market. They bargained for a better price at the market. Bark. Bark. To make a loud, sharp sound like a dog. To make a loud, sharp sound like a dog. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Base. Base. To use as a foundation or starting point. To use as a foundation or starting point. The story is based on true events. The story is based on true events. Bathe. Bathe. To wash oneself or someone else in water. To wash oneself or someone else in water. She bathed the baby in warm water. She bathed the baby in warm water. Battle. Battle. To engage in a fight or conflict. To engage in a fight or conflict. Please back the car into the parking spot. Please back the car into the parking spot. Bear. Bear. To endure or carry something difficult. 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 Beat. Beat. To defeat or hit someone or something repeatedly. To defeat or hit someone or something repeatedly. They beat the drum to signal the start of the event. They beat the drum to signal the start of the event. Become. Become. To grow into or change into something different. To grow into or change into something different. He became a successful artist after years of struggle. He became a successful artist after years of struggle. Befriend. Befriend. To become friends with someone. To become friends with someone. She befriended the new student on their first day. She befriended the new student on their first day. Beg. Beg. To ask for something earnestly or desperately. To ask for something earnestly or desperately. He begged for forgiveness after his mistake. He begged for forgiveness after his mistake. Begin. Begin. Let's begin the meeting with a quick introduction. Let's begin the meeting with a quick introduction. To start or commence something. To start or commence something. Behave. Behave. To act or conduct oneself in a particular way. To act or conduct oneself in a particular way. The children behaved well during the field trip. The children behaved well during the field trip. Behold. Behold. To see or observe something remarkable. To see or observe something remarkable. Behold the beauty of the sunset over the mountains. Behold the beauty of the sunset over the mountains.
We've reached the end of our orbit for today. Hope you found this LingOrbit lesson helpful on your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more words, phrases, and fun content in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you on the next planet.